Hi guys, welcome to another video. This week has been very exciting. We had been discussing about Celsius last week, and this week Celsius has finally filed for bankruptcy. I am very happy that I was right about this. When they were paying off all that liquidation costs, I thought I'm going to be wrong here, but thankfully my prediction came bang on and they have filed for a bankruptcy. What is this upside right now in the market? Is it bullish or is it bearish? Seems like the options expiry, which is going to be happening in the next 1 to 2 hours, is ongoing. And the bears are probably putting some traps for everybody in the market around 21k. Once the option expiry ends, likely we're going to be seeing a sideways weekend. In the last video, I said that inflation rate could be around 9%. I was just missed by 1 point. So it was around 9.1% and things aren't really looking good. From this, the Fed is going to be increasing rate hike from 75 BPS to 100 BPS. Things aren't looking very bright on the other side. Let's get into our charts and special giveaway from Apes Utopia. Finally, the day we had all been waiting for is getting closer. So the Ape Utopia mint day is gonna be on the 24th of July. Just about 9 days to go. Interesting times. The project has a lot of potential and is gonna be starting very soon. If you want to become part of this project, all you have to do is follow them on the Twitter account and wait for the mint date on 24th. If you want to be part of that whitelist, which is a privilege, you have to follow these things. You have to like, retweet, follow Apes Utopia, Cyberclone NFTs, tag 3 friends, and obviously join their Discord, because that's where you have to drop in your Crohn's wallet. This project is gonna release on crypto.com's Abusi Bay NFT marketplace. You have to complete all the tasks given in this tweet and join the Discord channel. Hope you guys win there. If you want to see what's going on in the Discord channel, mainly we're all pretty active. You can see me there. We're gonna have a good chit chat and I hope all you guys win. This is the marketplace where all the NFT collection of 222 is gonna be minted. 24th of July is the day to go. So be there and I hope you guys win. Let's get into our charts. The first thing we have to look into the charts is DXY. DXY is not coming slow. It's still having a very big upside, unlike what we would want to see in this market. To have that upside means a downside for the crypto markets. Remains in those highs, no chance of it coming down anytime soon. Let's get in the USDT's dominance. Some signals, some momentum that might just bring a relief rally into Bitcoin and Ethereum, because it has been sideways in this given range. We would like to see it go down, have a retest of its trend line, which is on this yellow color. So hopefully it does do that on this weekend or next weekend, because the Fed rate hike is getting closer and closer. It's going to be around 26-27 July. So the FUD might just come back later in the month. Let's get into the BTC USDT 4-hour chart. So in the 4-hour chart today, we're going to be looking at VPVR. So in VPVR, we can clearly see we have broken through this resistance, which was a very key resistance in the bracket, about $20,800 to $20,470. Right now, we are testing those levels. Looks very good breakout right now, but obviously this is brought by the options expiry, which is going to be expiring in the next 2-3 hours. Likely we might have a retest of this downtrend line, or might just break above and have a retest of the upper BB. So the upper BB is around $22,668, while our SMA is where the market is right now taking support from, is around $20,697. If we look into lower BB is just around $18,727. We are getting very close to the overbought area in the RSI. So likely if we don't have similar upsides like we've had before, we might form a bearish divergence. Let's get into the Ethereum USDT 4-hour chart. Similar structure looking into VPVR. If you look into the RSI, it's very close to the overbought levels, while the price remains very different. But obviously we aren't seeing any RSI bearish divergence right now. Overall, the structure looks very bearish. It broke down its trend line very badly, and now it's trying to gain back that momentum, have a quick upside, facing resistance from a resistance line of $1,216. We are taking support from our SMA, which is around $1,158, and our lower BB is around $998. Overall, Ethereum looks a lot more bearish in this market compared to what we are seeing in BTC. Altcoins are pretty sideways, just stuck in that range, been range bound, not much action coming, just a sideways and boring market. Let's get into the 5-year cycle top and bottom chart for BTC. So on this chart on VPVR, we can clearly see next support levels that are going to be holded are around 2019 high, which is around 13,868 levels. If we look into the biggest support on this chart, it's around $7,245. Looks very bearish if we do have that sort of downside, but we are taking support from this support and resistance level, which is in the range of about $18,000 to $19,000. The next one lies around $15,000 to $16,000. Overall, we are still below the 200 moving average, which is a very bearish sign. We would like to see a big upside, but overall, market remains in this bearish sideways momentum. Let's get into the big data on Gate.io. So on the big data, we are on extreme fear of 15. Yesterday, we were at 18. If we look into long and short ratio for block trades and global data, it's pretty even Stevens, not much action coming there. But in 1 hour in block trades, about 70.07% people are in short positions. Makes very bearish sentiments in the upcoming hour. If we look at the funding rate for BTC and ETH, funding rate for BTC is negative, while Ethereum is at the ideal place of 0.0100%, and the market sentiment for Ethereum right now is sell. That means this might be just it. No more upside coming, probably going to see a downside on Ethereum's chart. Like I said, ETH looks more bearish than BTC. If we look into market sentiment for BTC, it's neutral. So that is a good place to have. We don't want to see a sell on BTC yet. If we get into the Gate.io startup blockchain project discounts, we are going to be seeing DCRN starting in 1 day. We're going to be seeing SEAL starting in 2 days. So you got to aim into this project. So if we get in the newly listed, we're going to be seeing DCRN in about 2 days here and SEAL in about 3 days. We have seen some big upside in Winged Riders, about 145% upside, 48% on Tari World, and Petals is up about 10%. So big upsides here overall and good profits. You can't make these profits anywhere else. So you got to look into the startup blockchain project on Gate.io and newly listed. If you're a VIP member, it would be the best for you to get into startups. And if you aren't, newly listed is the place for you to go. So MEXC has been sold out. I did aim into this one, so I'm very excited that what is gonna be in the mystery box. The last one I bought, MEXC8016, the mystery box open, and it was an NFT of the mic itself. So there's gonna be 1,000 pieces. I got a few of them. That is what I'm happy about, and I'm really excited that I did get one. Next up, we're gonna be seeing a massive project coming into the Gate.io NFTs. This time it's gonna be Azuki, and this is 5057 on sale. It's going to be starting real soon, about 3 hours 57 minutes to go. I want to see all you guys aping into this one. This is going to be huge. This is the best opportunity to get a fractional NFT minimum 5 from your account, and obviously you can't get it for that price anywhere else. So hopefully we're going to be seeing a downside coming into the markets in the next couple of hours as the option expiry is done and dusted. Let's hope that we do see a big upside break above $22,000 on the BTC, but overall market still remains bearish in the long term. So that's all for today's video, guys. I hope you liked today's video. If you do, smash the like button, share your thoughts in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Gonna be back in here soon. Take care, guys. Bye bye.